Hey guys, and welcome to Project Bachata instructional videos. This is a place to be to learn everything about bachata, starting off with the basics. Now these videos will be provided both in English and Spanish, so if you prefer to watch these instructions in Spanish, please click the link below. Remember that sharing is caring, so if you enjoyed these videos, share the love by clicking the like button and sharing the video below. Now let's get started. Hey everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. I'm El Flaco, and with me we have Raquel, and we are here to teach you how to do the side-to-side slide. Okay, if you haven't already done so, please watch the basic video, the side-to-side basic video, as a lot of the basics have already been covered. So the way that the side-to-side slide is going to go is just that we're just going to slide in that direction. And in a 4 count, this is what it's going to look like. If we head off to our, let's do it to our left. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide. Tap. Let me do it with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's go ahead and do it in the other direction. As a matter of fact, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to turn around so that you can follow me in this, so the leads can follow me and the follows can follow her, and then we'll go ahead and turn around. So we're going to go ahead and do it. We're going to do a full basic, and then we are going to do it in that direction. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do it in the other direction. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is that we're going to alternate directions here so that you can see it from my point of view this time. You can see it from her point of view this time in a different direction. Let's go ahead and get started. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap. Okay, and this concludes our lesson for today. Now let's get this party started.